Righto, test number 3 today. So this time we've had the carburetor off. Obviously we tried a couple of needle changes, which made some differences, but wasn't the total cure. So looked really carefully at the main jet. 125 main jet, which appears to be size printed on the main jet holder, which is an external holder on the side of the float bowl. Now, I had a bit of a moment there and thought, hang on a minute, main jet's in the bottom of the emulsion tube as normal, but this design is one where you have a emulsion holder, there we go, and the main jet is somewhere else inside of the float bowl, basically. Now what's happened is we've transposed those two jets around. Now whether we just copied what was there originally, who knows. But anyway, they should be in different positions, so we've hopefully got it back together properly. We've gone back to the original needle position, which is exactly in the middle of the grooves. And we're now just going to let it warm up a little bit and see what we got. So before it was picking up too much fuel. Now hopefully, so it was effectively, it had a massive jet, like the hole in the main jet supply tube was enormous, so hopefully this will make a difference. A little bit burbly, but let's let it warm up. Blow for a sec, let this fan go. Finally, we're on the main jet now. She's starting to smoke a little bit as we burn off all the rubbish. Getting better. Sometimes you need to be a bit patient, make sure everything's getting cleared through. It's a lot busier this time of night. It's gone about 7 o'clock. Ooh, crazy scooter guy, no helmet on properly. Headlights on. Well, that's not bad. Quite a big improvement. But I think we will go back down with the needle one more again, just to see if that will improve it even more, because we did have a really good mid-range, which should be important. Getting off the line and stuff. Ooh. Trying to get rid of that little burble there, around about 3-4 grand. Might be able to get it to really pick up quick there, which will be very handy coming in and out of the corners. Sounds like the big end's going to go in a minute. That's much better, yeah. Pretty much there. Just going to go back. I went to the middle with the needle, so I'm going to go back down one clip and see if I can get that mid-range really good. So it's on the main jet now. Alright.